Now coming to the properties of force. In that, let us take an object. If I start applying the force in this direction, the object slowly moves into the other direction. If I change the application of force from other side, the object moves towards me. In this way, the movement of the object depends upon which direction the force is to be applied. Coming to the next one, forces in a direction, added forces in the same direction. For that, let us take a heavy object. If I start applying the force from this direction, slowly the object moves. Instead of one force, let us take another force. In the same direction, if it is added, the object moves very fast. Because here F1 force and F2, two forces are added on that. Summing of forces make the object to move fast. Here this is what the object, heavy object like a heavy box or something, let us take. If I start applying the force in this direction, F1 force in this direction, the object moves very slowly. But another person has come to me to make the heavy object to move fast, and they are also applying the force in the same direction. In what way I am applying? Then this summing up of energies, or what you can say that forces, make the object to move very fast. Here F1 is nothing but the force 1 which is applied by me. F2 means other person who applies the force in the same direction. Total force applied on the body is F. About forces in the opposite direction. This is the object, and one force which is F1 we are applying from this direction, and F2 force is applied from the opposite direction. So when F1 and F2 object, when F1 force is applied in one direction and F2 force is applied in the opposite direction, if F1 and F2 both are equal, object will not show any kind of movement. It is depicted here. F1 and F2 both are equal, object will not show any movement, it will be staying as usual. But F1 is greater than F2 force. Force applied by me is greater than F2 force, then the object is moving in this direction. If the F2 force is greater than F1, then object moves in this direction. This object moves in this direction. Whether the object moves towards me or away from me, it depends upon the force which we are applying. As a whole, it implies that force is a vector quantity which is having the magnitude and direction.